Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that packs some impressive features, especially considering its target audience. This is a generic model, but it comes equipped with capabilities you'd typically find on more expensive units, making it quite interesting. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its visual obstacle avoidance system. This is a huge plus, particularly for those just starting out with drones. It adds an extra layer of safety, helping the drone sense and potentially avoid hitting objects in its path, which can save you from costly crashes and provide peace of mind while flying. For capturing footage, this drone features dual cameras. While the marketing might mention 4K, the provided specifications indicate it captures video at 1080p resolution and still photos at 12 megapixels. This is still perfectly adequate for social media sharing or casual filming, offering decent clarity and detail for its class. Having dual cameras can also offer different perspectives or potentially allow for switching views during flight, though the exact implementation isn't detailed. Stability is crucial for good aerial shots, and this drone utilizes both GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS is essential for outdoor flight, allowing the drone to hold its position accurately even in windy conditions and enabling features like return to home. Optical flow positioning works best indoors or at low altitudes outdoors, using a downward-facing camera to maintain a stable hover without GPS signal. The combination of these two systems should provide a very stable and reliable flight experience. Control range and image transmission are also key factors. This model boasts a long-distance capability, allowing control and HD image transmission up to 1,200 meters. This gives pilots plenty of room to explore and capture expansive landscapes without losing connection, provided they maintain line of sight and adhere to local regulations. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity is likely what facilitates that clear, long-range image transmission to the connected app. Powering the drone is a modular smart battery. The specifications state an average flight time of around 18 minutes per battery. While some might consider this average, the modular design makes swapping batteries easy if you purchase extras, extending your total flight time significantly. The drone is described as beginner-friendly, which, combined with the obstacle avoidance and stable positioning, makes it a good option for newcomers to the hobby. It's controlled via an app, which is standard for many modern drones, offering access to flight controls, camera settings, and intelligent flight modes. The drone comes in a gray color and includes a bag, which is convenient for storage and transport. Overall, this generic 4K HD dual-camera GPS drone with visual obstacle avoidance appears to offer a compelling package, especially for beginners or those looking for advanced safety features at a potentially accessible price point. Its combination of obstacle avoidance, stable flight systems, and decent range makes it a capable flyer for capturing moments from the sky.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.